Hello viewers. So today in the video I will be telling about what book you can follow in the second year MBBS. See, now the students, they get confused which book to follow and which book to leave. There are many categories of books in this regard. We have normal textbook like books, then we have the references books, and practical books are also there, and along with that we have a manual and then guide type of things. Now this manual and guide type of things have come up recently. So I will be telling about which one should be using. So see, we have the well-known book which is Essential of Medical Pharmacology by K.D. Tripathi. So this is the book. So this is a recent edition. This keeps on changing. So basically, mostly all the medical colleges, all the students, they have this book. They use this book, and it's pretty good also. The another is this Sharma and Sharma's Principles of Pharmacology. Now this book is a not very old book, but this is pretty good book. It is in competition with the K.D. Tripathi book. What I suggest is, like, I mostly prefer Sharma and Sharma's. So this is a book in which you can find easy language with better figure than the other book. Many people use K.D. Tripathi, and that's a equally good book. So out of this book, these two books, anyone you can opt for. Out of these two books, anyone is okay. So this becomes your textbook like thing. Now coming to the reference book. Reference book, we have the Kairzens, which is this one, the Basic and Clinical Pharmacology. Basic and Clinical Pharmacology. The author is Kairzen. And other than that, we have the Goodman and Gilman's, the Pharmacological Basis of Therapeutics. Now the students who are above average, good students, they mostly prefer reading this book as their textbook. The advantage of this book is the language is easy, and the figure and the photos and the tables, they are very well explained. I prefer this book, along with that the Goodman and Gilman's. But for UG section, either if you are above average, then you can go with this Kairzen, or if you are below average or average, you can go with any of these books. Along with that, Goodman and Gilman, keep it as a reference book. Coming to the practical book usually students do not buy or follow. This is what when the teacher teaches in the practical classes, that is more than enough. But for if I have to recommend, then this particular book is a good pharmacology book. This is the Manual of Practical Pharmacology for MBBS. Apart from that, there is a Lippincott Pharmacology, which is pretty good book. And then we have a book called Pharmacology and Pharmacotherapeutics by R.S. Satoskar, Nirmala Rees and Bhandarkar. So see, option is yours. One book, one textbook is enough, and one reference book, either Kairzen or Goodman and Gilman, is enough. Now, like in recent times, you must have seen this book. This is like a classification book which includes the pharmacological classification of drug. This is also given by K.D. Tripathi. Now see, this is all classifications are given, and then the preparations are given, the dosage forms. The thing is, instead of buying this book, you can make your own diary type, small diary type of thing which contains the classification, and mug up those classification. You can keep it in the pocket and then use it anywhere. Go chapter wise and mug it up. In spite of whether the chapter is finished in the class or not, you go with the classification. You write in the diary type of thing and mug it up. Another book is this one. This is the manual, this Pharmacology for Medical Graduate by Tara V. Sanbhai and Smita Sunai. This book, usually student has started using this book as textbook, which I do not recommend. You can use this book before examination just to for the fast revision. Then we have this book Gobind Rai Garg, that is exam preparatory manual for undergraduate. As the name suggests, this is for the exam preparation, or the pharmacological basis type of question is well explained in this book. So for that sake you can use this. So if you are done with these many books, I guess you would be doing much better in second year professional examination. Thank you so much.